Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Hank Eru from jamtoursafrica.com family, veganchoicefoods.com, Expat Realty.com, the vegan Jamaican over there in Lavington, Nairobi family. So in this video, guys, as I was driving into the Westlands area, the Lavington area, the Kilimani, the Kilileshwa, those are my surrounding that I normally surround family, So in this video, guys, I'm going to stop at Mogotio Oasis. That's an upcoming project coming up, family. I have studio. That's the only apartment in Westlands that has studio available right now. There's no other development that has studio apartments. If you want to get a studio apartment, they have a flash sale going on, 5.5 million. I don't know if them still have available, but if you're serious about investing in real estate in Westlands, then Mogotio Oasis on the lower tier, a dear. This sale is very fair. 5.5 for a studio in a Westlands, and when you look at them partition the studio, I'm gonna show you how them partition it's so nice. Trust me, you can't lose. And them have 2 and 3 bedroom. They have 2 entrances. What I like with this project. I like the design. I like the fact that they have 2 entrances. I like the fact that the studio is actually they make use of the space. Even them have space to put a washing machine, so it's like a complete 1 bedroom, but it's just in a studio, but them just partition it the right way, and it's not so like like in a one room. It's not like you live in a 1 room in a studio. So I like that about it, family, and I just like the design and stuff, and I like the amenities that them have. Them a whole lot of amenities and stuff. I do like that. So family, it's definitely, it's definitely a win for me. So I want you guys to understand and know that. So let's go. Yeah, family, so as I was telling you guys about actually Mogotio Oasis, why I like it, and I hope you guys will actually like it too, family. But today, guys, we're doing some it's a Monday, started of the work week. We have an event with Optivent tomorrow at the restaurant. So anybody looking to buy land, beachfront land, ocean view land, land in Nanyuki, land in Nakuru, them have land all over, family. So it's a trusted company you can buy land for. And whereas if you live overseas and you're not really in a Kenya like that, even for me, the land them I bought, I know my land is secure because it's with a company. Them actually fence it up for you, then cut your pattern, show you your beacon and all kind of thing. And then what them do, them sell like land that gated up community land. So you have a gate and everybody come in and build and stuff. So it's very secure. If you're looking to buy land, for some foreigners, buying like open land, sometimes it's like, headache and stuff. When you buy from a company, you sure that the land is yours, family. So nobody can take it to, nobody can say ancestral land and all of these things. So I buy my land through Optivent, and I'm an ambassador for them, family. They're looking into the Jamaica market. As you can see, how Jamaica and Africa is getting closer and closer, tighter and tighter. It's coming back together. As you guys know, back in the days, it was a super continent, called Pangea. Super continents. Everything used to be one until it started to break away, family. Africa was in the middle. I'm going to actually post a video here so you guys can see exactly what is happening, family. But the world used to close together, and it seems like it's coming back that way by a connection of people, finding back the roots. And you see Kenya now have an embassy in actually in Jamaica, and you see Ghana was in Jamaica for independence, and all of that stuff, Ghana president, and all of that, collaboration and trade is gonna take place, family. So if you're thinking about coming as a Jamaican to Kenya, the embassy is now there to support you. So come and get your documents set up and start, build, because we can't wait. So I'm ambassador for Optivent, family, that deal with land and stuff in Kenya. So anybody who into real estate, anybody who into actually small scale development, you want to build like 1 apartment and stuff, you can get land. Anybody want to, just buy land for land bank, you want to buy a land bank, and when it sell back, you triple your money. That's a good. If you're actually up to vent, it's actually a good company to go into a land bank. I mean, a land bank business family. You know what I mean? It's like you have your money, and you know actually you know, you want to invest it somewhere in a tangible thing. You know, so it takes 20 years from now, the land value a lot, and you just sell whenever you want to sell, and whatever you want, at your price, and sell what you want to sell, because the value gone up. So if you want a land bank, it's a good company to land bank with family. All of these little ideas I'm giving you same way for free. Go to the website jamtoorsafrica.com family and purchase the founders members program. It's just $29.99, and get some of the services them family, because you need them. You know what I mean? Me not there I sell you a business scheme. Me there I do it, and me I show you. And then, you know what I mean? If you want the knowledge, it's right here from my experience. You know what I mean? Experience teach you to wisdom. So who can you go for wisdom? Me have the experience, 5 year experience. You know what I mean? And me I do it on all level and every level. You know what I mean? So you can't lose. So just book it, family, book it. You know what I mean? There's another project, call me up, developer call me up and say, Jam to come look at this. I love this project because of the area. I haven't seen it yet. This is like the 3rd project in Kenya. So I'm just giving it a lowdown family. I love the area because it's Brookside. You know, Brookside is very green and nice. The Westlands, 5 minutes you walk down into Westlands and the street, down to Kafo and all of this place. So I like actually Brookside family. The development is called A-Trust. I don't know, I can't actually I beg your pardon for the pronunciation. I want to go and show you that one family, because you know, I feel like that one is good for people, good investment. You know, I mean, at the green area, you don't want in the city. You just want to be a little bit outside of the city in a nice green area. You feel like you're in the suburbs. When you want to go in the city, you can just walk, go down 5 minutes. You can just take a Uber anywhere around and come around for like, you know what I mean, 200 shillings. You know what I mean, to move around in the city. So I want to show you that apartment, Brookside, because I like it. That's the thing. I'm only showing you what I like, family, what I invest in, because every apartment in Kenya is different location, depends on what you want. You know what I mean? Different amenities, depends on what you want. So most people want to live in the city. You want to invest in the city. You want high occupancy. You know what I mean? So, you know, even buying and flipping is a good actually you know, investment. Same way family, if you think about it in the city. So there's so many ways to make money once you invest into an apartment here in Kenya. So in Nairobi, I just want to show you everything that's available, what I would invest in. If I have the money, that's what I would do. I'm telling you. So anyway guys, continue watching. You know, I want to show you Mogotio Oasis, the updates, and you know, where they're going and stuff, and the completion and all of that. If you want to make a 20% deposit, you get like 2 years to pay and all of that family. So you know what I mean? Time waits are no man, and nothing lasts forever. So do what you have to do and make sure you do the right thing, because the right is always right and can never be wrong. You know what I mean? No matter what they try to do, it can never be wrong. So anyway guys, me gone. Yeah family, and for those who don't know where Mogotio Oasis is, let me just give you guys a tour of this. They have Hyatt Regency, there's a family. Further down you have Surrey Center and Hyatt Place. Over here so you have GTC Mall, GTC Residency, GTC Towers, JW Marriott. But Mogotio Oasis, you have Westlands Road, then you have Hyatt Road, and then you have Mogotio Oasis Road family. So I saw it set in the heart of Westlands. 3-4 minutes, you have a university, so if you get sick, hospital, so you can, you know what I mean? Now the heart of Westlands, you know, the heart. So you just walk from here, so go to the mall, anywhere you want to go. You know what I mean? And as I said, we also got Luminara family, which is a very good project. You know what I mean? One of my favorite project, because it has the GTC project manager is a part of this development family there. Mogotio Luminara. You know what I mean? But Luminara 1 and 2 bedroom, them now no studio. So Mogotio, the one who have the studio. But if you really want a 1 bedroom luxury, trust me family, hotel style, hotel inspired family. So the team, their tagline is hotel inspired. But so let's go to Mogotio and we'll come back to actually Luminara. You know what I mean, one day this week, because I have some client coming in and they want to actually see real estate. So I'll be showing you guys more of Luminara while it lasts. As I said guys, they're almost sold out. But because, you know what I mean, one of the best right now in Westlands. You know what I mean, when you come on to like finishing and how it gonna look, you know, the structure gonna be mostly glass. So you know, so that's a nice, you know, that's a nice feature. Most apartment is more like, you know what I mean, you know, it's not fully glass. So we just want you guys know that, family. So with that, Mogotio. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys the update. So what does that mean, family? Mogotio, you know what I mean, studio apartment. If you're looking to get one, that's what the thing, family. And you see guys at JW Marriott, right? That's what I was feeling, walking distance. Alright, that's our family. After Westlands, you know what I mean? Mogotio Oasis, 2 entrance. So let's go in. Let me show you guys what the mod look like. So you know what the mod look like, family. James, what's up? Every time I park bad, so I have to, you know what I mean? Give them a quick review same way, but what's up? Give me an update.
Yeah, so currently we are still going on. We are almost on basement 3. We are going to the ground floor now.
Perfect.
Yes.
And you said this completion when?
2028 June. And we have an offer right now.
Yeah.
Studio was going for 6 million. Now it's going for 5.5 million.
Let's go and check it out.
Yeah.
Sure. Come here, tell them. Let's go and check it out. At the office, this family.
And before we go on, we have
hey,
done,
Lucy. Oh, go on.
Before we go on, we have done other projects.
Okay.
So City Oasis, Urban Oasis, One Way Riverside, and Riera One.
Perfect.
So we have these 2 still under construction. Completion is 2027. Yes.
Any availability of these? You
Yeah,
know
we
some.
have availability.
Oh, perfect. You know some people they want something sooner.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So this is the studio.
Studio unit 41 square meters. Comes as it is, apart from the electronics like television, fridge, and the washing machine. We don't get the furniture as well. But everything else you see here comes in the house.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, go on. Yeah.
So for us, we are giving you high-end brands. So you get a Bosch, you get this range, you get a 4-burner, and you get an oven. You get the lighting features, and then here you can do like morning breakfast tools.
What about?
Yeah.
You get this too?
Yeah, that comes with the house.
And you get these fittings you put in your fridge and stuff.
Yeah, sure.
And even the washing machine too.
Yeah, no, the washing machine doesn't come with
But you get the fitting.
Yeah, the fitting comes with the house.
And the glass and everything come
Yeah,
with
that
it.
comes with the house.
Okay, everything
Yes.
come with the house.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
nice. Wow.
And then we have the TV panel.
TV panel, this come with it too?
Yeah, all these comes with the house.
Okay, nice.
We have this rail lightings. That's gonna come with the house as well. Yes.
Wow.
You get this massive closet for the studio unit. You don't get such in a studio unit.
Yeah.
So for this one comes with the house. We have this beautiful chandelier that comes with the house. And then we have this handcrafted paint. These are wall cladding.
You can get it with this if you want.
Yeah. This one comes with the house, but it's not a wallpaper, remember that.
Ah, yes, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
it's handcrafted paint.
It's handcrafted, wow, so it's really paint family, not wallpaper.
Yeah,
And you come with this partition?
Partitioning is coming with the house.
Wow. And the best studio is also the balcony too?
Yeah, you get a balcony, bro.
John Star family. I'm telling you the family, in that studio, this is the first studio apartment balcony family. I'm telling you guys.
Yeah.
This is like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is like the best thing money can buy right now in an investment. Let me take a look at the 1 bedroom
Yeah, sure.
and show them what I
You
want.
can imagine from 6 million to 5.5.
So, and how long this offer lasts for now?
Yeah.
How long this offer lasts for?
Yes, you can see how the progress is going.
Yeah.
We are going very fast.
Very fast.
Yes. So by others, we'll have the shows for the other units.
Oh, perfect.
Yes.
When the offer ends?
Yes.
When the offer ends?
The offer we have still not yet discussed about it.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. So this is a 1 bedroom.
Now this is the smallest one bedroom. So this one comes as it is, apart from the furniture, the electronics, doesn't come with the house and the decoration, but everything
else comes. Even this.
Like this one comes to the house the way it is.
This
you
way
have
it
a shoe rack over there. You
Yeah, even this kitchen.
Yeah, comes fully fitted. With an extractor, you get a 4-burner, you get an oven. And
Wow.
it's a Bosch, remember that.
Yeah.
High-end
Okay, nice.
brand.
Iron brand. Yeah. Does it come? It come with this too?
Yeah, you get a TV panel, but this extension doesn't come. But
you get
that TV
You get this panel.
Yeah, and this comes to the house.
Okay,
Yes,
nice.
and you get that chandelier as well.
It's a chandelier. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
What about this wooden thing?
No,
That's a wall. Okay, cool.
Yes.
You have the balcony.
Yes.
And I like with the balcony all the way around
it's
from
a
the
different
room.
balcony all through.
All
From
through.
the
Wow.
bed space to the living area.
Wow, family. Wow.
Yeah. So it's
See?
extended one.
Extended. Nice.
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Yeah. And then you have this massive chandelier as well. You get that wall cladding.
Wall cladding, that close, okay.
Then you have your closet over this side.
Wow.
And then here we have partitioning for your laundry space. You have your toilet and you have your
Wow, this is very big.
Yeah, that's your bathroom.
Wow, and this is the tile it come with, right?
Yeah, but we are thinking of changing these tiles and do like the amazing tiles. Yeah, compared to this one.
Alright, nice.
Yes.
Well, this bathroom is very big family. Wow.
Yeah, for
For 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is going for how much?
This one is starting from 8.3 bucks. We have a discount on this one as well.
Okay, when the offer ends for the studio.
For the studio, we have not yet discussed when it will end. So, but maybe in 2 months to come.
2 months to come. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, families, if you want to buy a Flora studio apartment, link me up. You know what I mean? Because, you know what I mean? There in Kenya.